Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just showing you a car, we're presenting a legend, a piece of automotive history. This is the 1976 Toyota Corolla, preserved in 100% genuine factory condition. This car is for true classic car lovers. Finished in a beautiful original red color, this Corolla still carries its factory identity. No repaint, no touch-ups, no body modifications. Exactly the way Toyota delivered it. What makes this car truly special is its original factory paint. There is no repaint, no polishing tricks, no hidden work. The body panels, lines, and shape are all untouched. Pure originality. Under the hood, this Corolla is powered by the legendary 1,300 cubic centimeters 4K Toyota engine. This engine is famous worldwide for its durability, smooth performance, and reliability. Even today, it runs clean, smooth, and strong. A true testament to Toyota engineering. The engine sound is calm and refined, just like a classic should be. No unusual noise, no vibrations, everything feels solid and well preserved. The boxy design, straight body lines, and chrome details give this Corolla a true vintage character. Simple, clean, and timeless. A design that never goes out of style. Inside, the car maintains its original classic feel. Everything reflects the era it belongs to. Clean, authentic, and untouched. Finding a car like this today is extremely rare. A classic Corolla with genuine paint, original engine, and factory condition. This is what we call a true janoon piece. For collectors, enthusiasts, and lovers of old-school cars, this Corolla is not just a vehicle. It's an investment and a passion. If you enjoyed this classic 1976 Toyota Corolla, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more timeless machines like this. Because classics don't age, they become legends.